Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into your Blue Cross MN insurance account, member portal guide step by step clearly. To begin logging into your Blue Cross MN insurance account, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the official website URL for Blue Cross MN. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Once the home page loads, look for the Member Login option, typically located in the upper right corner. Click on the Member Login link. You will be directed to the Member Portal login page. Here, you'll see fields for your username and password. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the appropriate field. If you have forgotten your username or password, click on the Forgot Username or Password link for assistance. Follow the prompts provided to retrieve your login information. After entering your username and password, double-check for any typing errors. Once confirmed, click on the Login button. You should now have access to your Blue Cross MN insurance account. If you encounter any issues, verify your internet connection and ensure you are using the correct website. For additional support, consider reaching out to Blue Cross MN customer service. You can find their contact information on the website for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.